Hello everyone, and thank you for watching this video. My name is Teresa Chan, and I'm very pleased to join the Metaverse Summit this year to give you my insights into how the Metaverse and NFTs promote equality and accessibility. Before I begin the speech, let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm a marketer, writer, and storyteller specializing in the blockchain, cryptocurrency, and NFT sectors. As a kid, I was fascinated by disruptive technologies and how the world is represented through innovation and entrepreneurship. Naturally, I was drawn to the blockchain industry that transforms the existing system, pushes outside the envelope, and creates new ecosystems outside the box. Currently, in my role as marketing manager, I report to two Forbes 30 Under 30 winners. I'm the marketing manager at VereNFT, a white-label NFT platform and service provider that guides brands, companies, and individuals in the creation of their own NFT marketplace with no technical expertise required. I'm responsible for managing the entire marketing lifecycle of the white-label NFT marketplace and providing NFT directions to clients, which include, but are not limited to, brands, athletes, and musicians, etc. Today, I would like to share with you how the Metaverse and NFTs promote equality and accessibility, and how VereNFT can build the future for brands and individuals. So let's begin by introducing the Metaverse and NFTs. The Metaverse is a combination of multiple elements of technology, including virtual reality, augmented reality, and video where users live within a digital universe running on the blockchain. You can envision its users working, playing, and staying connected with friends through everything from concerts and conferences to virtual trips around the world. On the other hand, NFTs or non-fungible tokens are a new class of digital assets, which are unique, indivisible, and immutable. They help in representing the ownership of digital and physical assets on the blockchain. Although the Metaverse and NFTs are two different concepts, you can find that they are considered almost synonymous with each other. This is because NFTs are the keys to accessing the Metaverse. Let me explain. We are now in the Metaverse. Let's imagine you have to go to a meeting that is organized in New York. You plan to have your virtual agent attend the meeting on your behalf, and you want the agent to be suited and booted. Or another situation is that you want to celebrate Valentine's Day with your girlfriend in the Metaverse, and of course you will want to buy her roses. Or if you want to have a party with friends, you'll need a champagne bottle. This is where NFTs come into action. All you need is to buy the virtual agent avatar, the boots, the roses, and the champagne bottle from NFT marketplaces. When people think about the Metaverse and NFTs, their immediate associations are still technical, or more recently, artistic. However, the Metaverse and NFTs go beyond that. As a matter of fact, the Metaverse and NFTs will tremendously reshape human society and culture because they are a manifestation of millennia-old social interactions and the behavior of belonging. So the real question lies in, what changes to society can we foresee? In fact, the Metaverse is a perfect place to encourage equality and accessibility. We are free to express ourselves and live in the way we want. Our voice is heard, and our presence is seen. Let me dive deeper into equality now. The first and foremost thing to understand is that everyone will be equal in the immersive Metaverse, as the person is represented by an avatar, the digital twin. Let it that our digital twins, in some cases, are avatars that don't need to be exact replicas of us. They do not have to replicate our physical qualities or surface. They can be of a different gender, race, height, or other physical attributes from us. The avatars are usually purchased and represented through NFTs. People in wheelchairs can walk. Facial features are not reflected. Skin color and hairstyle can be adjusted as we like. physical disabilities are not reflected in the metaverse. Others don't know if you're using accessibility aids or other devices to move your virtual avatar in the metaverse, either in a virtual meeting or in a party. And it is not just about your physical qualities. How you dress or makeup does not matter either. You might have had a rough exercise just minutes before the meeting started. What does this imply? It means that in the metaverse, a person's location, gender, physical attributes, or personal circumstances are less important than their ideas or the quality of their work. From mothers nursing their infants to people with physical or psychological challenges, no one needs to be excluded. As a result, organizations will benefit from diverse new talent pools from previously underrepresented groups. There will be a fundamental shift in interpersonal and workplace dynamics. Of course, to be genuinely promoting equality, tech companies must provide everyone with the tools and technologies they need to take part and feel represented. The provision is not just about giving people laptops and creating diverse-looking avatars, but also addressing people's physical challenges, such as providing control interfaces for those unable to use a conventional keyboard. These are issues that need to be addressed now as we lay the metaverse foundations. After analyzing equality, let's look at accessibility now. How does the metaverse encourage global accessibility? As a 3D virtual space, the metaverse is boundless. It eliminates all types of barriers, physical or otherwise. It is an endless space where there are no limits to how many people can use it at the same time, what types of activities can take place, what industries can enter it, etc. As a highly realistic space, it will also have the capacity to adapt to its users who can directly influence, for example, its environments, objects, colors, lighting, and more. The above are some examples of how the metaverse widens accessibility more than current internet platforms. Moreover, the metaverse can be unplugged, rebooted, or reset. Users can enter it freely at any time, from anywhere in the world. And in doing so, there is always continuity to the experience. The metaverse will evolve over time based on the shared contributions of its users, like the content and experience designed by them. On the other hand, the metaverse sparks a lot of new opportunities which encourage global participation. Metaverse participants are able to engage in decentralized virtual economies powered by cryptocurrencies. This includes marketplaces where users can buy, sell, and exchange items like digital assets, like avatars, virtual clothing, NFTs, and event tickets. The beating heart of the metaverse boils down to its users. Every participant in the virtual world takes part in co-experiences and helps co-create the future of the metaverse through user-generated content. From virtual creations to personal stories and interactions with AI-driven avatars. Now, you have learned the essence of Metaverse and NFTs and how they contribute to equality and accessibility. Did you know that the easiest way to start now is with NFTs? And this helps position you early in the Metaverse as it continues to grow. And did you know that you can actually take a step forward to build your own NFT marketplace instead of collecting NFTs from other artists or minting NFTs on random NFT marketplaces? Built on top of the Aventus Network, VereNFT is a white-label NFT platform and service provider that guides brands, companies, and individuals in the creation of their own NFT marketplace with no technical expertise needed. It is everything brands need to position themselves in the metaverse, and those that act now can position themselves with early market entry advantage. There are 3 ways VereNFT can add value to your brand. Firstly, we can protect your brand image. VereNFT offers a unique solution to sell NFTs on your own brand platform. You don't need to rely on or associate with other platforms to risk getting your NFT listed side by side with other brands or artists of ill repute. And you can create your own unique environment according to your own criteria. You're in total control of your brand image always. Secondly, we can augment your branding experience. As you are in total control of your data and brand, customer engagement and retention programs can be carried out more effectively. This includes any loyalty programs, community programs, badges, and associate incentives. Thirdly, we empower brands to build sustainable green NFT marketplaces. Powered by the Aventus Network protocol, VereNFT adopts Layer 2 solutions to take a much-needed load off the Ethereum network, drastically improving scalability. Unlike energy-hungry proof-of-work blockchain protocols, the Layer 2 Aventus Network blockchain spends less than 1% of the energy to ensure the sustainability of NFT transactions. It is gentler for our planet in the long term. As a marketer, I believe that the Metaverse and NFTs open the floodgates to a new type of brand storytelling and consumer dynamics. This could be the start of a new era for brands. Apart from the commercial side, however, brands should think about how they can integrate nicely with the Metaverse and NFT communities to contribute to the advancement of humanity. Equality and accessibility are only a few examples. There's much more we can do. If you want some guides on the NFT marketplace setup, branding, and NFT education, please feel free to contact VereNFT. Thank you so much for being here. I hope my session was valuable and will encourage you to start exploring the Metaverse and NFT spaces. See you next time. Bye!